What a little weave can't do. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nika Dalcio, and if you don't know, now you know. So this is the look I'm gonna do for you today. It's sort of like orange and red. I was feeling, some oranges and red today, and I was thinking, why not do something really nice and fiery for you guys? I put some gold highlights in the corners. All right, put some gold highlights in the corners, and boom. Okay, I'm looking slamming. So with that being said, if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. So I've recently just did my eyebrows off camera. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to start off by priming the lid. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take this foundation, Heavenly Honey by Black Opal, and I'm just going to basically prime my lid for this look. And I'm just going to use that beauty blender to basically set that. It's a damp beauty blender sponge, and I'm just going to set that base right there. All right, so as you can see, the base is set, and I'm going to then use this color right here. I'm gonna start off with this color. This is like a mustardy yellow color, and I'm going to use a clean tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna dip that into that color right there, and I'm going to bring it up and above, basically just sweeping it across. I'm going to go in with this small tapered dense brush, and I'm going to build this color into the crease a little. So this palette is from Morphe. This is their 350 palette, and I'm just gonna take that and bring it right here into the crease right here, into my natural crease right there. Well, this here is my natural crease, but this, if I take my brush and I place it right here, this is where my eye socket is. So I'm just taking it above, a little above my natural crease, and blending it up like so, and down, up and down like so. And I'm just going to use this blending brush here, and I'm going to blend that out. Now that that's blended, I'm going to take the red from this palette and use my finger and dab it right in there. Dab that right in there. Intensify it by just packing it on. You could also use a brush to do this, but I prefer to use my finger. And I'm just going to blend that orange up there above that red. So it's basically all about blending. That's what it's about. It's about blending colors together. Let's get that primer and put that underneath the eye. Put that underneath the eye. You're going to use that brush to blend that out. And then we're going to start off. Sometimes I just get music in my head, you know, I gotta dance, so excuse me. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna start off with that red color. Since we did that one last, we're gonna start off with that first for the bottom lid. So we're just gonna use that red color, pack it on with this brush. Pack it on with that brush. We're gonna clean off that brush now and go into that orange. The orange color right here. Clean that brush off. And then go underneath that red. Go underneath that red, and then clean that brush off again, and then we're gonna go underneath that orange with the yellow. And we're blending that out. I want to put more of that yellow into the crease. That is it. That is how I do my eyeshadow. Well, all of this is matte, but what I'm gonna do is I'm thinking to add a pop of red in there. Red glitter, I should say. So what I'm gonna do is do this eye, and then I'll come back to you and add the glitter. So now that I've done my lashes and my eyeliner, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with my face. So before I started my face, what I did was I cleansed, toned, and moisturized my skin. So I do that all the time before I put on any foundation or anything. So you want to prep your face for makeup before anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Baby Skin by Maybelline, and I'm just going to put that into my T-zone area. What it does is it fills the pores, basically. It feels velvety, and it fills the pores. So just in my T-zone area, and that's what I'm going to use to prime my skin. For my face, I'm going to take Carbon by Ebony. For my face, I'm going to take Carbon by Blackopal. And this is my all over shade. I use this foundation as my all over shade. So that's how I put that on. And then I'm gonna go in with this face brush this face blending brush by Morphe, and this is the Morphe 439. So just gonna blend that all out. Bring it underneath the chin. Make sure to fold the lips if you have to. And blend that out. You want to make sure get it into your hairs. Get it into your forehead. So I like somewhat of a full coverage. So I'm going to go back into that and reapply. I really don't like to put a lot on my forehead simply because it starts to look cakey over time. So I just do it around my face and whatever is left off on my brush, then I will go back up there. Sometimes I color correct, sometimes I don't. Today I'm not going to do that for the sake of this video not being extra long. So yeah, now I'm going to go in with Heavenly Honey under the eyes, right there. I could have gone with something a lot more about a shade darker, probably truly Topaz, but I like Heavenly Honey. So this is Ebony Brown by Blackopal, and I'm using this to contour. Take this underneath the chin, just like so. And then I'm going to use a damp Beauty Blender sponge and do it all together. Now that that's completely blended, I'm going to take my all over powder by Maybelline. And this is in the color 365 Nutmeg. And I'm just going to basically put that all over. This brush that I'm using is the Morphe E34. And that's my all over powder brush. I'm going to line my lips using this lip pencil. This is the Makeup with an Attitude by Rude. This is the lip liner by Rude, and it's sort of like a burgundy reddish color. Because when you're wearing like a matte lipstick, you want to make sure moisturize your lips prior to. So I'm just lining my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with Ruby Woo by MAC. Gonna put that over. So for my blush, I love using eyeshadows for blush, so I'm just gonna go in with these three colors here and just put that on the hollows of my cheek. Give this some warmth. So just putting that on there. Ain't that gorgeous? Ain't that gorgeous, y'all? Ain't that gorgeous? And then I'm gonna go in with the amber lights, and I'm going to add some highlight. Amber lights. I'm using this tapered brush from Morphe. This is the M50. This is great for highlight, and I'm just going to place that right on there. Make sure I highlight in that area. Yes, swirling. Yes, highlighting that area. Ooh. Yes. Yes, give me some light, swirling. Give me some light. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and do the nose. Just that little dab right up here. That's perfect. And I'm going to blend that out using the exact same highlighter brush. Blend it out right here. Baby. Ooh, I like to bathe in that shit. I like to bathe in that. And then, what do you think about the finished look? Yes, giving me life. Am I giving you life, y'all? Am I giving y'all life? Am I giving y'all life? Do you like the do? Do you like the do? And this is the finished look.